Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your Experian credit report as a PDF. First, log in to your Experian account or sign up at experian.co.uk. Click the menu option that says Credit Score and Report. Then click Experian Credit Score and Report. Look at the top right under the alerts icon and click print or save. Your credit report will open in a new browser window. Download or print your Experian credit report in full. Important note, you must use a desktop computer or desktop browser to see the print or save icon. And that's it. That's how to download your Experian credit report as a PDF. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.